I'm gonna do 500 pesos. Okay, challenge. Yes. So, meron ako nabiling dalawang jacket worth 100 pesos. I'm gonna show you guys later. Wow. For 20 pesos. Just 10 pesos is 60 pesos each. Guys. Ma, gusto mo maging si Jinky Pacquiao?
Hindi naman pa siya sa akin.
Yeah. Oh, I found the Woody's hat! And it's only for 50 pesos. So, parang ba? Super V-neck. Capital V-neck. Capital V-neck. Diyan pa lang sa isa.
Wait lang.
Tinaboy niyo.
Oh, look at that. That's a steal for only 10 pesos.
Mukhang beef rin. Okay guys, so inabot na kami ng gabi sa pamimili.
Yeah, tired.
Yeah, and later on, I'm gonna be showing you what I bought sa No-No, aka Wagwag. Yes. Say bye guys! See you again on my next video. Bye! Hindi pa pala dapat ako magpaalam kasi ipapakita ko pa pala sa inyo yung mga binili ko. Okay. Okay, so... Oh, yeah. It's very blue. And then the sweater. Yan na mukhang Beef Wellington ulit. See? And it's yellow. Okay. Nothing special. These are just 10 pesos. The jacket. Look, ang ganda ng kulay. Yeah. Oh, see? Kulay na look. Smooth. Yeah. And it's Woody's hat. Ta-da! Bye. See you guys next time.